Hello YouTube. So I'll show you real quick how to get the knee airbag on a 2021 Kia K5. So what I did is I removed the side panel right here, okay, and then I removed the panel underneath, and that is one screw, a Phillips screw head in here, another one right there, and one right here. I popped this panel out. I had to remove one of the prongs for the sensors, and it's only two nuts. I did remove two in the back, but I was wrong, so it's one, two, and then I removed the clip. Most important note is to put the clip back in place before installing the new unit. The reason for that is because this piece right here has a spring, this yellow cover right here on the outside, like this one, and then two orange tabs like these, and so it's going to be pain to put them back while the unit is installed.